Welcome back, guys. New to the lot is this 1974 Dodge Challenger. I'll tell you what, this one's done in plum crazy purple and with that black vinyl top and the black hood treatment. It's just a fantastic looking car. Not only does it look good, but listen to this, how this thing sounds. Laser straight paint, gorgeous stance. Love the Magna 500 wheels on it. The awesome cutout dual exhaust. I mean, this ain't your typical 1974 Dodge Challenger. This thing is absolutely show quality, in my opinion, and it's got a heck of a motor underneath the hood. Underneath the hood's got a built 383. It's got the stock manifold, still has its factory fender tag. Power steering, power disc brakes on the front, aluminum radiator keeping it cool. And this is Michael, or one of our technicians, said this is one of the best Mopars we've had on the lot that he's ever drove here. So I'm excited to drive this one. I've not been behind the wheel of it at all yet. Nice engine bay paint. Just everywhere you look on it, it's just super clean.
Very nice car.
Tell you what, I like the way it sounds. Front bumper looks great. Back of the hood lines up nice. This one does have a couple cracks in the dash pad, so if a guy wants to make it real nice, you'd want to redo that. But that's really the only major flaw that I've seen on the interior.
I loved how Mopars always had the cool colors, the purple, the bright green, orange.
Yep, Sublime, Plum Crazy. I mean, you see a Mopar coming down the road in one of these high impact colors. I mean, you have to just stop and stare and take a double take, don't you?
Yep.
Bottom of the front fender, rocker panel, all that is great. So just got done driving it here. Over top, the wheel well is beautiful. We put the chrome wheel lip moldings on it as well. The Magna 500s are brand new. 225, 60, 15s on the front. So many times on your Mopars, here's where they're gonna boil and bubble, right in this area. And this is awesome, great shape there. Over the wheel well, paint is excellent. Black vinyl tops in great shape as well. That's what you want to look for when we come around here. Top of the back seat's great. Kick panels are nice, 6x9s back there. Back bumper is excellent, like I mentioned before. That dual exhaust coming through those cutouts with those tips looks fantastic on Cudas and Challengers. Tail light lenses and that Argent and stuff like that is all in great shape. Love the Challenger rear spoiler. That flat spoiler looks great on this one. As we open up the door, all the rubbers and felts were replaced at restoration. They did a beautiful job on that. I mean, you can find these Challengers anywhere from, you know, 30,000 bucks up to 100. You know, it depends on what it is. Depends if it's a Hemi or whatever, right? But this is just a really nice quality Challenger. A 383 put in it, beautiful paint, great look, great stance, nice interior. You can jump in and take to any local car show and be very proud of it.
Exactly, yep.
I mean, it's hard to judge a car. You got to judge them on condition. You know what I mean? And this one's awful nice. Inside corner of the door is excellent. Door jamb paint's nice. Got the overhead seat belts in great shape. Back seat has 2 seat belts. That's nice too. Door panels in the back. Back seat is excellent. Front seat's in great shape. Really, the only thing I see at all, headliner's beautiful on it, front to back. The only thing it really needs is that new dash pad if a guy wants to.
Yeah.
There's another thing I love about them.
Yeah, the cool.
About the Charger, the 68 Chargers, the Challengers. I love those gas caps. Something does fit good right here. Along there. Both sides nice and even. There you go. Beautiful. So the bottom of the trunk lid paint is gorgeous. It's beautiful paint there. Inside the trunk floor, they did paint that black.
Mm-hmm.
But jams here are done very nicely as well. It's got a spare tire as well.
And your jacks on the other side too.
Jacks in there too. Good, good. Thanks, Brad. Perfect. But as we look up both sides, very, very nice straight body. Paint and body looks great. Again, bottom of the door fits good. Nice and solid down in here. If I'm gonna say anything, the paint just could be wet sanded and buffed a little. It's just a little dry right down there at the very bottom, kind of where it wraps under. But really super nice. Rocker panel, lower fenders, excellent. No bubbles, no blisters, no issues. Driver's side door, rust free, just like the passenger. Still has a factory sticker in here. Door panel is excellent, but original. You can see it's got a couple, like a little scar here and there, but it's in great shape. Seats are nice. Carpet looks like that's been replaced. Another thing we did, it didn't have a radio in it. We did put a new Kenwood in it. So it's got a new radio, okay?
Works really good.
Yeah, works
Yeah,
fine.
good speakers.
Gas gauge works as well. Go ahead and shut this off. Heater controls do not work, so no heat. Wipers work, they're 2-speed. They work great and park correctly. Alternator gauge works. So horn and heater are the only two things that aren't working right now, Brady. Speedometer looks like that's working. Like I said, gas gauge works. Like I said, Michael really bragged this one up. So see if he knows what he's talking about, huh?
Yeah.
Push brakes.
Stop great.
Yep. Stops perfect. Tranny shifts good. Now, our speedometer is off a little bit. It says we're doing about 65. I think we're doing probably about 60. So it's probably a little 5 too fast. That kickdown works great.
Yeah, it does.
You don't have to shift this one manually. Here's your brakes again at high speeds. Turn signal indicator in the dash works. So not only does this have a great stance and is beautiful, great sounding, it really handles the road nice as well. So we'll go ahead and just kind of go through it once here one more time. And put it in drive, nice easy shift there. Front suspension, steering, everything's straight on.
Yeah, drive's great.
Yeah, just really spot on. Again, there's our brakes. Let's see if we can get after it a little bit here.
Gets up to speed, don't it?
It sure does. I mean, it doesn't sit there and waste time squealing tires. Gets right up to speed and goes down the road great. So check this one out on our website, coyoteclassics.com, and see you next time.